So you're a month away from closing day and getting the keys to your new home. Don't make these mistakes or you could lose it all. I'm talking about the 5 things you absolutely should not do before closing. These are super common mistakes that you may not think much of but could easily cost you your new home. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Kashnaz and I'm a realtor here in Toronto. Welcome back to Property Ladder, where I break down everything you need to know about buying, selling, and investing in real estate. If you'd like to chat more in detail, you can book a free call with me using the link below. Now let's jump right in and unpack these mistakes one by one. Number 1, make large purchases or get new financing. Okay, so this first one might seem obvious, but it is a huge deal. Don't go buy a new car or finance anything new right before closing. I know it can be tempting to splurge on that car you've been eyeing, but here's the thing. The bank is watching your financial activity like a hawk up until the keys are in your hands. Any new financing or even credit applications can throw off your debt to income ratio, which can mess with your mortgage approval even if you thought it was a done deal. Now, lenders usually will do a final check before closing, and if they see that you've got new debt, this can really jeopardize your situation. So keep a tight leash on any major expenses and save the splurge for after you get your keys. Next up, let's talk about job changes. I totally get it. Sometimes dream job opportunities come up, but switching jobs while you're in the middle of buying a home, that can cause some unnecessary complications that you really don't want. Remember, your mortgage pre-approval is based on your current job, where you work, how much you make, and the stability of that income. So even if the new job offers the same or more money, lenders might see it as risky. What they want to see is consistency. So any changes to your employment can set off alarm bells. Even if you switch things up before closing, it could delay the process or even put your financing at risk. Now, if you absolutely must make a move, talk to your lender first so they can work with you to navigate this, especially if it's a higher paying role. Just don't decide to ditch your stable 9 to 5 to start a bakery or go commission only right before closing. Hold off on that until after you've moved in. Number 3, don't co-sign for others. Now this one's a little sneaky, co-signing. If a friend or family member like your brother or your sister asks you to co-sign for a car or a loan or any sort of mortgage, just press pause for now. Because as much as you want to help them out, doing this before your closing day is risky business. When you co-sign, you're basically adding that debt to your own record. And yes, lenders will count that against your debt to income ratio even if you're not making the payments yourself. So remember, this can impact your own mortgage approval. Hold off on being the best friend or sibling until after you've got the keys to your new place. Next, let's talk credit cards. It's easy to think, I'll just put this on my card and pay it off later. But if you max out your credit cards before closing, you could be setting yourself up for big trouble. Lenders are watching how much of your available credit you're using, and if you suddenly max out those cards, it might look like you're in trouble even if you're planning to pay it off. Keep those balances as low as possible to avoid any last-minute issues. The last thing you want to be dealing with is having to explain a big spike in your credit card the week before closing. Lastly, let's talk about bank deposits. So before you deposit or receive any large sums of money, it's really important to have a quick chat with your mortgage broker. If you're expecting gift money from family to help you, say, cover your closing costs or maybe even a surprise bonus from work, don't just pop it into your account without a plan. Lenders will ask to see the source of your funds for the closing of your home, so any sudden large deposits can raise red flags. They'll need to verify where the money is coming from, especially if it's a gift for your down payment. And if you're receiving funds from overseas, keep in mind that those need to be in your account for at least 30 days prior to closing. So keeping the lines of communication open with your lender and your mortgage agent can just prevent any last-minute hiccups as you get closer to getting the keys. And there you have it, 5 things you should definitely not do before closing day if you want a smooth and easy transition into your new home. I hope this helped you out, and if you have any questions or need personalized advice, feel free to book a call with me using the Calendly link below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Property Ladder for more real estate updates, and share this video with anyone else on their home buying journey. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.